I'm here to assist you with all your test equipment needs, from multimeters and test weights to patient simulators and x-ray analyzers. If you need guidance or you have any questions, please don't hesitate to write me at jbarber@BCGroupIntl.com.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Better Biomed. Folks, I just found something I wasn't expecting, and I'm actually kind of excited about this because this kind of changes the game. Now, if you guys know, I've had a variety of tool bags over the years, and the one that I've settled on is a brand called Vito, and Vito is a very heavy-duty tool bag. But along with that professional ruggedness comes a professional price. So, I just found the coolest thing from Milwaukee Tools, of course. There's a direct competitor to the Vito bag, and I'd say in many ways this exceeds Vito's bags. Let's go ahead and take a look. Take a look at this, folks. It's insane. We have a rigid bottom, which one of its shining features is that it's also pack-out compatible. That is probably one of the coolest things I've seen yet. We have two external large compartments. This one here is for large tools. I really dig that. Plus, you get little elastic pockets up here for smaller tools and accessories. The doors flap out much similar to a Vito bag, and you can adjust the lash with these guys so you can make it lay out kind of like the work surface, although it doesn't have the rigid inserts kind of like a Vito bag would. And those rigid inserts make this an actual table type surface. So some of the pockets are laid out very well, because I'm going to have like precision drivers or something like that here, or my bits, because I'm going to put my bit driver here. Or if I have my multimeter in there, I'd have some of my multimeter leads stored in there. So there's many ways that I would utilize that. And then obviously business cards and stuff like that up here in these upper pockets, and the indoor pocket, same as on the Vito bags. Large zippers. I dig large zippers, guys, and they look like YKK brand, which are, you know, the number one name in the game for zippers. I dig it. There are loops here on the front so you can lash other accessories to the front. Pretty cool. Look at this crazy handle, rigid. This is a beast of a handle, very comfortable, by the way. And they got these components right here so you can tie other stuff down to it, or so that you can put a rope through it to hoist it if you're working from an elevated position. Those things are pretty nice like that. These here are for the arm strap, which is going to be in the front pocket. And notice how they're reinforced. Heavy denier, reinforced D-rings. Grab handles. Check out these padded grab handles from both sides, because when it's strapped onto your pack out system, you can also use this to help kind of steer your pack out as you're walking it down the hallway. From the other side, another handle, another D-ring that's reinforced. We have a bottle opener, of course, that's necessary, and we've got two large pockets on the side. Down there is your pack out release latch. And from the other side, we have one little pocket. This is where I put jumper wires and or business cards, stuff that's easy to get to. And we've got more of those little lash down points so you can tie something here. Or you can even put that webbing here so maybe your multimeter or something slips in. Cool stuff. Look at this. We've got a little lanyard point right here. So I would hang something from there. I don't know what I would hang from there, but it's kind of cool if they have a lanyard point. Maybe a flashlight, a little mini flashlight or something. Here is the carry strap. Look at the padding on that beast. Reinforced, heavy duty. Take a look at these. Kind of a heavy spring pressure on those clamps. They are swivel clamps. That's a super nice, and the wide strap along with the paddings, but what's going to make this a very comfortable bag. We have the same upper pockets and inner lanyard points. And oh wow, look at all these pockets. I kind of dig that they have an open spot right here, because I normally stick like my multimeter and some other things in the middle. kind of good. And right here, this is for all your little micro drivers and whatnot. And again, the side doesn't have the rigid inserts like a Vito, but it does also have the adjustment point, so it kind of comes down like a work surface. Cool. Many pockets in here. They all have this upper area that has got reinforcement, so when you're putting tools in, taking them out, you're not going to wear away at your pockets. And look at this. This one here is like a flashlight holder. It's kind of a rigid pocket. These ones here aren't rigid, these are all soft, but this one's a rigid pocket. So you can pop your flashlight in there quick and easy. Cool bag, man. So that is the Milwaukee Pack Out 4822 8316. This is the reinforced or the structured tool bag, 15-inch size. What an absolute beast of a tool bag. And I believe the price is $270, which is half the cost of a Vito bag. So how cool is that? Look at this. We got another lanyard point right here. What a good bag. All right, folks. Go check it out at your local Home Depot. If you have the pack out system, this would probably be the bag that I'd be using if I was a field tech. Thanks for watching, guys. Whoa, guys, I just noticed a couple more things about this rigid bag, so don't go away just yet. Here's the actual price tag, $269. I was pretty close to the $270. Now, there's a couple features that I found when I was putting it down just by accident, and I thought, holy cow, that's so cool. So when you're carrying this bag, there is a tendency for it to come down and hit you in the leg. But they thought about that, and they put a soft rubbery material right here for abrasions. When you're carrying the bag like this, brushes up against you, which it's going to do, because if that bag's loaded up, you're going to be carrying it like that. It's got padding right there on the side that you can kind of push the bag off your leg, or if it rubs on your leg, it won't hurt. It's not abrasive. The other thing, I can't believe I missed this. This front pocket right here goes all the way down. It goes down to here. It is a deep pocket, which the Vito bag doesn't have. Really dig that. It's kind of a big pocket. Still a medium-sized zipper. Looks good. All right, that's all.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below with what you'd like to see in future videos.